Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to use module scripts in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to create a module script. Now module scripts can be fired from the client or the server. So they're basically table scripts that could be local scripts or server scripts. So it doesn't matter how you use them, but they can be fired from whatever, so it's cool. So what we're going to do is after you create a module script, it can go in workspace, server script service, anywhere you want, but basically all it is a table. Like, it's a script that's also a table, and like you can access values and functions from it. So let's say like if I did module.1 or like module.event equals function, what I could do is create another script that does script.parent here's how you access module scripts. So what you do is you local module equals script.parent, or no, my bad, require script.parent.module script, or whatever the path is. And then when you require it, what that does is it basically just means you're attempting to retrieve all the info from the module script. So if we did module.event, it would call the event. And then if event, we just do like print hi, and we press play, it would print hi. Even though we're not actually calling the event on the module, it's calling it over here, because if we deleted this or just, turned it into a comment, as you can see, nothing happens. So they happen from whatever. So we'll put this, and we'll put another module script in starter GUI. They can go anywhere that you can have scripts. And then we'll also create a local script under it. And we'll just do require script.parent. And then what we can do here is, even if you just do require, you don't actually have to call an event. It runs all the code in this. So no matter what, it runs all the code. So what you could do is just print hi whenever you require it. So as you can see, it printed hi. So module scripts are pretty simple, and they're easy to learn once you actually use them once. So here's a couple examples what you could do with it. So if you created like a GUI and you created a button, and let's say you had tons of buttons, right? What you could do is you could name a button something special, like special button, and then you could create like a local script right here, and then you could create a module script under that. And in the local script, you do for every item in pairs script.parent get children, do if item, or what you do is if okay, we have to get the module first. So local module equals require script.module script, and what we'll do is if m, and then we'll do this, and then item.name, then m item.name, and you call it like a function. And then what you do is you just do module.special button, because that's the name, and equals function, and then we'll do print special. So basically what this does is it fires, so it checks if there's if there's an event for the button. So if there's an event for the name, then what you do is you call the function. So if we press play, and then we just press, oh wait, actually, in the module script, it already printed special. Oh, okay. So that just, it checks if the name. So what we do instead is we just do item dot, and we'll do if item dot, just do if item is a GUI button, then item dot activated connect m item dot name, and then what that would do is it'd connect the function. Okay, so if we press this one, doesn't work, this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, but this one, it works. And it does it however many times you want. So basically, what we could actually do is name any of these something. So we'll name this one special, we'll name this one stupid, or anything you want. And we'll actually change the name of it to stupid. And then all you gotta do is create an event called module.stupid, or you could do module 1 or module 2, module 1 equals this, or you could even do up here, just open this, and then just do stupid equals a function. And you can literally do that if you wanted to, but I recommend doing this way. This is my favorite way of doing things. Now you can also do like module 1, 2. I did this system for like a game I was making. Basically what I did is I fired like whatever the event was. All the events were numbered. So like event 1 would fire module 1, event 2 would fire module 3, or my bad, module 2, and so on and so forth. But yeah, you can do whatever you want with that. And then up here we just do print stupid. Alright, so if we press play, button, stupid, special, and it works perfectly. So instead of having to make an event for every single one, you just have a table that loops through, checks if there's a function for the button, and then if there's a function for it, then whenever you press it, it calls a function. So you still have to create a function for every single one, but it's still simple. So like you could even make these name the same thing. Like if I change this to special button, it would both do the same thing. So instead of having to like connect every single one, you only connect one in one tiny little script. So they both do the same thing. Yeah, so that's basically how model scripts work. There's other ways that you can use them too for data stores and stuff like that. I'll show you one right now that like code systems. Here's a really good use for them. So what you do is you create a module script named codes, okay, and you create another one called functions. And what this does is we go in this script and we'll do local code equals, we'll just do cache, alright? And then we'll do local codes equals require script.codes, local functions equals require script.functions, and then well, actually you could just do one module for it, but you know, it keeps it simple, so like easy to use. So what we'll do is for every code, or C in pairs codes, do if C, or actually if functions C, actually we need the key. So I guess what we do, actually if functions C, like if it finds the code in whatever, then functions C and then call it. So then in the codes you just do module dot, or actually I'll go right here and I'll just do cache code equals to cache, and that's the code. And you could even do string dot lower and stuff like that to make it simple, but and what we'll do right here is in this module we'll just create a function called cache, and then in here you just print cache or something like that. This is actually, hold on. So what we'll do, wait a minute. Expected that when parsing function got cache. That should be right. I don't know. What we'll do instead is we'll just actually do this, and then just do function or module.cache this function, and then we'll do print code redeemed. So you can make a code system like this, and what this does is, okay, as you can see, I already fired the code. So, but then if we change this to like Dart or anything else, literally anything else, actually it called it again. So, okay, I think, if function C, so the cache code, well, I don't know. That was pretty weird, but I made a code system with that. I'm going to do a code tutorial too, but that's it for module scripts. So basically, they're literally just table scripts, kind of, that are fired whenever you require them. So when you put require and then wherever it is, then it does it. Also, you can require other scripts that you save in Toolbox. So if you save a script as main module, capital M, capital other M, then you can also require scripts without them being in your game. So you could even hide your code like that if you wanted to, but it's more vulnerable that way. Anyways, that's it for this video. Check out my Discord server if you have questions. I'm not going to leave any scripts or anything in the description because this was basically just video telling you how to use them. And also, subscribe and like this video if it helped you. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Peace.